What's up guys, this is Just Team. Today's video upload will focus on the topic how profitable are crypto airdrops. The video will be uploaded in two parts. First, I will show you the projects I am currently working on. Additionally, I have prepared a Q&A about airdrops that you might be curious about. Through these videos, you will be able to clear up many of your questions about coin airdrop tasks. In the first part of this video, I will show you my daily routine that I currently perform every day. I will demonstrate exactly what tasks I am currently doing and how long they take. By watching my video, you will be able to gauge the difficulty of the tasks and how much time they require. However, due to time constraints, I have not included every single task required for each project in the video. Therefore, I cannot guarantee that you will receive an airdrop by only following the tasks I show. For example, with StarryNift there is a mission to mint a free pass and visit other people's spaces. However, I am not doing that mission every day. I am only doing the daily check-ins and participating in the raffle. Like this, I am not completing all the missions, so please consider my tasks as a reference for your own work. Lastly, I want to emphasize again that I highly recommend you follow the tasks I upload on YouTube and Telegram. At the end of the video, I will also discuss how much time you need to invest daily and what kind of returns you can expect. Now, I will show you the tasks I perform every day. This is what my daily routine looks like in practice. Do you know how much time it took in total? Roughly 10-20 minutes. Anyone can invest 10-20 minutes a day. If you calculate this over a year, it amounts to an average of 120 hours invested. Typically, working for 120 hours would earn you around $1,000–$2,000. However, I believe that airdrop tasks have a much higher expected value. Moreover, it's much easier and simpler than working. This is why I strongly recommend participating in the projects I upload on my YouTube and Telegram channels. By investing just 120 hours a year, you can expect potential future profits that you might not have anticipated. If you manage multiple accounts, your earnings could be even greater. If you're already wealthy, this may not matter to you, but for ordinary people, these low-risk, high-return tasks are essential. This is how you build seed money and grow your wealth. In the next video, I'll cover a Q&A session addressing common questions and discussing recent crypto airdrop earnings. Your subscriptions and likes motivate me to create quality content. I hope you will join me on the path to financial freedom. Thank you.